Another easy Valentine's DIY using items from the Dollar Tree. So I have these heart doilies and I have them in red, white, and pink. And then I have this heart reform. I'm going to fold them so that I can fold them like this. It's hard to explain, but you could see how I'm folding it and then just fold it over. Okay, so you can attach these multiple different ways. You can hot glue them like that. You can staple them, which is going to be the easiest way because it's just one staple, and you'll just keep putting them around it and around until you're done. You won't use more than one pack if you have the heart wreath from the Dollar Tree. So one pack for the red, one pack for the pink, and one pack for the white, and you'll still have some left over. And then there's a space in the middle. This is another item I made using Dollar Tree items that would look pretty in there. So there's many different ways you can put in the middle. This is one way. I love it because it is so full and it's still all Dollar Tree items. And then this is another way, so easy and so simple.